Hey beauties, it's your daily dose of love punch. If you're new here, punch that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos.
Want to get that shine and glow and become completely unrecognizable? Ready to level up and transform into the best version of yourself? If you're looking to glow up like crazy, inside and out, then keep on watching. In this video, I'll be sharing the ultimate tips on makeup, skincare, hair, fashion, and more, so you can step into the world with confidence and style. Let's get glowing. Chapter 1. Makeup. Makeup is all about enhancing your natural beauty. Here's how to keep it simple but stunning. 1. Flawless base. Use a lightweight foundation or BB cream for a fresh, natural glow. If you don't need full coverage, opt for a tinted moisturizer or SPF to even out your skin tone. A good concealer is your best friend. Apply it under the eyes and on any blemishes for a smooth, flawless finish. 2. Natural eyes. Go for neutral eyeshadows in shades of beige, brown, or soft pinks to enhance your eyes without overdoing it. Skip heavy eyeliner and apply a thin line of brown or black eyeliner close to your lashes for subtle definition. Add a pop of color to your cheeks with a cream blush. Peach or pink shades give you a healthy, flushed look. Apply a light highlighter to your cheekbones, nose, and inner corners of your eyes to add a touch of glow. For lips that look juicy, opt for a tinted lip balm or gloss in soft pink, berry, or nude shades. They're easy to reapply and give your lips a hydrated, plump look. 3. Outstanding lashes. Don't forget to use mascara to enhance your lashes, making your eyes stand out. If you want that snatched, attractive look, be sure to add some falsies. Chapter 2. Skincare. A solid skincare routine is key to glowing skin, and it doesn't need to be complicated. 1. Keep it clean. Wash your face morning and night with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Double cleanse in the evening if you've been wearing makeup or SPF. Use a cleansing oil first, followed by your regular cleanser. 2. Hydrate and moisturize. Always use a hydrating moisturizer suited for your skin type to keep your skin soft and supple. In the morning, choose one with SPF. And at night, use a richer formula to nourish your skin as you sleep. 3. Exfoliate. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week to remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin. You can use a physical scrub or a gentle chemical exfoliant like glycolic acid. 4. Face masks. Treat yourself to a face mask once a week. Clay masks are great for detoxifying, while sheet masks can boost hydration. Chapter 3. Hair. Healthy, styled hair can make you feel like a new person. Here's how to keep it looking fabulous. 1. Hair care routine. Use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner to keep your hair soft and healthy. Apply a hair mask or deep conditioner once a week to nourish your hair, especially if you use heat tools or dye your hair. 2. Easy hairstyles. For a quick, stylish look, try loose waves by curling your hair lightly and running your fingers through it for a beachy vibe. Braids, messy buns, and sleek ponytails are perfect for days when you want a stylish yet low-maintenance look. 3. Scalp care. Massage your scalp for a few minutes daily to boost circulation and promote hair growth. Apply a lightweight oil to the ends of your hair to prevent split ends and add shine. Chapter 4. Fashion. Your style should make you feel confident and comfortable. Here's how to elevate your fashion game. 1. Capsule wardrobe. Build a capsule wardrobe with classic pieces that never go out of style. Well-fitted jeans, neutral tops, blazers, and a few statement pieces. Focus on quality over quantity. Invest in versatile items that you can mix and match for different looks. If you want to stand out more, use colors that are more eye-catching. 2. Accessorize. Add simple accessories like a pair of hoop earrings, a layered necklace, or a chic watch to complete your outfit. Scarves, hats, and belts can also add personality to your look without going overboard. 3. Confidence in what you wear. The key to pulling off any look is confidence. Stand tall, own your style, and wear what makes you feel good. Chapter 5. Self-care and wellness. Glow-ups aren't just about looks, they're also about how you feel. Here's how to nurture your mind and body. 1. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin glowing and your energy levels high. Aim for at least 2 liters daily. 2. Sleep. Prioritize getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Good sleep helps your skin repair itself and gives you a natural glow. 3. Exercise. Find a form of exercise you enjoy, whether it's walking, yoga, dancing, or weight training. Moving your body regularly helps reduce stress and boost your mood. 4. Mental glow up. Practice mindfulness or meditation to reduce stress and anxiety. A calm mind is just as important as glowing skin. Keep a gratitude journal or write positive affirmations to boost your mental well-being. Chapter 6. Fragrance and hygiene. A fresh scent can make a lasting impression. So here's how to stay fresh all day. 1. Choose a signature scent. Opt for light, fresh fragrances with notes of citrus, florals, or musk. Apply it on your pulse points, wrists, neck, behind the ears, for long-lasting wear. 2. Daily hygiene. Shower daily and use a hydrating body wash with a subtle, pleasant scent. Don't forget to apply deodorant. Carry a small bottle of body mist or perfume in your bag for touch-ups throughout the day. Chapter 7. Confidence boosters. The ultimate glow-up isn't just about appearance, it's about feeling good in your skin. Here are some confidence-boosting tips. 1. Practice good posture. Stand tall with your shoulders back and your head held high. Good posture instantly makes you look and feel more confident. 2. Smile more. A genuine smile is the best accessory you can wear. It not only lifts your mood, but also makes you more approachable and radiant. With these tips, you're well on your way to achieving a complete glow-up that will make you feel refreshed and unstoppable. Whether you're upgrading your beauty routine, switching up your style, or taking care of your body and mind, the key is to embrace what makes you feel amazing. Stay fabulous and keep glowing.
Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe. For more videos, click on one of the pictures on the screen.